Diced tomatoes, a simple guide to a common kitchen term. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might encounter in many English recipes: diced tomatoes. Understanding this term is not only helpful for cooking but also for improving your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and find out what diced tomatoes really means. The word diced is a cooking term. It refers to cutting food into small, square pieces. The size of these pieces can vary, but they are usually about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. This method is often used to prepare ingredients so that they cook evenly and are easy to eat. Now, let's talk about tomatoes. A tomato is a red, sometimes yellow, fruit, though it's often used as a vegetable in cooking. That's used in a wide variety of dishes. It's juicy, slightly sweet, and slightly acidic, making it a versatile ingredient in many cuisines. When we combine these two terms, diced tomatoes simply means tomatoes that have been cut into small, even, square pieces. They are commonly used in salads, sauces, soups, and stews. Diced tomatoes are essential for dishes where you want the flavor of tomatoes without large chunks. Using diced tomatoes in cooking is beneficial for several reasons. 1. Even cooking. Small pieces cook evenly. 2. Texture. They add a pleasant texture to dishes. 3. Flavor distribution. Helps spread the tomato flavor throughout the dish. And that's all about diced tomatoes. Remember, it's a simple term, but knowing it can make following English recipes much easier. I hope this video helps you in your cooking adventures and English learning journey. Happy cooking and learning!